There's only a few vehicles that can blend classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2021 Cadillac Escalade Sport in infrared. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, power running boards, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 3,000 miles on the odometer, 16.9-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, 36 speakers, rear seat video system, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 6.2-liter V8 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5799A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.